What's up, y'all? It's your boy Sean here. Doing another video today. We're currently at the Rudy's meet here in Tomball. We're a little early. We're gonna watch cars rolling and stuff. We already got one right now. Let me show you what it is. So currently pulling up right now is a all carbon fiber GT350R. Bro. All carbon. Very, very clean car. Bro, you already know he does some tracking with those tires. Ooh-wee. Let's take a look at this car here. Bro, even though these light up, bro. Got a few more cars showing up right now. With the Subaru, this gorgeous, beautiful ZR1 Corvette from Accelerate Vets. Hell yeah. Alright.
Ain't gonna let put the car in. You still waiting there? Put that ain't there. They like to go 100 miles an hour sometimes. Huh? We're gonna go too. Hell, that's it. Yeah, he's back.
Boy.
Look at that truck he's pulling it with though. That's a bad truck. He's gonna pull back in.
More cars came. God, this gorgeous lifted Subaru. It's beautiful, beautiful 69 Camaro. That truck just broke all the people over there's necks. We got more people coming, y'all. Come through. We got a Sinclair photos in the house. Boy. Boy. More cars coming. Alright, put those on your Jeep.
Are you gonna pay for my new gears and my new axles and my new everything else?
Hello. You could have asked me to bring the other one.
Nah.
Whistle. We got a Jordan. Okay, good talk. Man, y'all, nothing's bigger in Texas. But god damn, if anyone else has something like this in their state, please send it to me. Everything is bigger in Texas. Like, I'm walking up, right? Bruh. I'm as tall as this fucking tire. Like, bruh. It's a fucking brake rotor, bruh. Got speed up, kids. We got a Sinclair photos. Oof. We got the classics rolling up, y'all. Man, oh man. We got this gorgeous GTO right here. We got this gorgeous C3 Vet right here. Y'all better come through. We got this gorgeous, gorgeous ZL1. Y'all need to come through, y'all. It's popping. We got Mikey from Automotive Apparel. We got Mikey from... Oh, fuck you, asshole. We got the other Mikey from Automotive Apparel. Clean as fuck cars. What's up? So, back at it again. We have Bumblebee in the house right now, y'all. Ooh! C28, alright. Alright. Gorgeous Viper. Is that a Supra? So yo, this Viper right here is not normal, bro. Beautiful wheel setup, y'all. Beautiful. Bro, that ain't normal. That is a... Bro. On a Viper. What do you gotta say about this?
Beauty.
That MG Augusta. Oil field money right there. Oh yeah. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. Woo-wee! This is gorgeous C3 right here. Gorgeous Ford right here. Gorgeous Subaru. And then we got this GT500 Super Snake right here. Bel Air. That's That's clever, bro. Look at this beautiful V10 R8. The license plate. HPC Supra. My boy Mason right here. We got the banana mobile. So yo, that F-250 right there is lifted. That shit's on it.
Can you give me a favor?
It's gorgeous, gorgeous box body. Lady driven Mustang, cowl hood, 5.0. Bro, that's Sienna though. It's only 6 o'clock, guys. This meet just started. This is just getting. We got a heavily boosted 5.0 right here. Bro, why are you trying to hide? We got the Galaxy 5.0
Galaxy.
We got a, I don't know what the fuck that is.
It's a Toyota.
Is that a fee?
I videotape it. Take pictures.
That's a fee.
You gotta talk when you're taking your video.
Damn fee.
What's up, man? It's your boy PH Productions here. How you guys doing?
Bruh.
Oh, what the fuck?
Bruh, Alex. Boy, I got my boy Alex Ankrum here. What do you got to say about this new rig, boy?
Man, bro, you know, this is that new Lambo I just bought, dog. This shit is dope.
I feel that.
You know, it's real out.
Damn, bruh.
Oh, what the hell?
Hell yeah. Got the ZL1 on welds. Ooh, wait. You want to repeat what's in this?
Yeah, bro, I got a small big block turbo.
Uh-huh.
I got myself an exhaust with an intake manifold.
Uh-huh.
And then I've got, you know, the chrome access, and I've got basically the 8JZ inside this thing. It ain't coming out till 2022, but I got it in the Camry already. That's what this is. Beautiful.
So fucking done. Hell yeah. But yo, look at this. It's a Jeremy. And that dude.
It's still here.
Boy.
It's inside of there. I sold it to buy this, but this is like the...
I don't know, guys. He wants to do 60 rolls.
It wasn't even trade. I mean, I think I kind of, you know, got over my dude a little bit, but...
Man, y'all could, I don't know if my phone could pick it up, but bro, this fucking turbo right here, this Camaro. I don't know, but Bryce, what do you got to say about this shit?
Well, it has a loud turbo.
Woo! I swear it's stuck.
Yeah, with those on.
We got my crew right here. Damn! We got my crew. Alright, let's see how it is.
It's got a brake for the...
Bruh. It's a Ford.
Hey, I can work on it.
It's a Ford.
It's got a whole brake for the... what do you call that?
That is gold. Bronze. I don't know what that is.
I don't know.
That's clean.
Yeah, they Morgan did.
Oh, wait.
You can hear it.
Dude, this meet just started, dude.
Huh? When does it get like big, you know?
Bits.
Bits?
Bits.
Really?
Want to put these on the launcher?
You'd have to remove the bumpers and the side door.
You have to remove almost half a damn car.
Much. This is car.
Well, I found Sinclair and I found Mike.
Bonk. What it do?
And then banana boat driver.
The banana boat. What? Oh, me? I had no idea who you were talking about. I was behind me.
Right
Yeah,
now.
I'm looking at Dogecoin right now.
Head as. I don't know, yeah. Talk to you later. Alright. Bye. We got the low life Mustangs here, y'all. We got Bree 5.0. We got 5 Tampico. We got cars across Texas here.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Y'all can't go follow this man. Oh, shit, Starlight Headliner. I see.